Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to activate SiriusXM in my car. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Activating SiriusXM in your car is a straightforward process. What you need to do first is verify your vehicle's compatibility. Ensure your vehicle is equipped with a SiriusXM compatible radio. Most new and many pre-owned vehicles come with factory installed SiriusXM radios. The next step is to locate your radio ID. You will need your radio's unique identifier to activate the service. Then third is to prepare for activation. Power on the radio, then tune to the activation channel and ensure you have clear signal reception. The next is to activate your SiriusXM service. To do it, head over to the browser, visit SiriusXM.com, and once you're inside there, visit the SiriusXM activation page. Then enter your radio ID when prompted, then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation process. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.